All right, good morning everybody. Well, we are just getting ready here to check on these bees again. It is a beautiful Saturday morning, second week of September. I see an ant or two while I'm sitting here looking at the hive, but we're going to jump back in here and just make sure the feed's okay. Brought some new feed. I want to look around, make sure there's no ants. I don't see too many ants or anything. I do just want to check and make sure that they're coming along nicely. It's a beautiful morning. Let them know I'm coming in. No, nobody's messing with you too much. Not too much smoke. I don't think we need that. Tools. This tool in my pocket, the little J-hook tool, seems to work really well. Last time we were in here, well, about a week ago, maybe 6 days, they had not. I flushed out the sugar water because I didn't want it to ferment. Just making sure they're fed well. You know, we're in a time where there's a few flowers coming back out, but not a lot. Let's see if I can pop this up. Yeah, there we go. Man, interesting. Still don't see them. I want to see how much fuel is in here as we. Oh, nice. Very different. Totally dry. So that's encouraging. All right, well, different than last time when they didn't use a bit of the sugar water. This time they used every single bit of it, which is great. So mixed up a whole batch of it. You see one of the little bees there. It's going to be fine. I'll go back in just a second. I want to pop off. I'm going to check this out and see what we got here. Take the little eat box off. All right, a little bit of smoke. I'm coming in here. No, we'll see what you're doing in that top area. I want to see if the bees have moved up a little bit. There's queen excluders at the top, so she could be in this top part. I don't see a lot. Oh, I see some decent activity up here actually. Okay, all right, that's different than last week. That's good. Hopefully they're moving ahead, building nicely. You can hear them. Hopefully you can see down in there. All right, so let's easily take this queen excluder off here. Hopefully I can get this prized up. They use propolis, and they have done a good job of sticking the queen excluder down, I'll tell you. Let me give them a little bit of smoke just to make sure they know I'm coming. I'm gonna pop this off. The grid side always goes down. There we go. All right, coming in, little girls. See them on top of the lid. They're just gonna fly right back in. All right, let's check this out. I'm gonna use this J-hook here. See, I'm looking down through here just to see across all these. Oh, we can really hear them. It's a cool Saturday morning. I don't want to get in front of the entrance too much. Let them. Cool Saturday morning. I can see the numbers down in the bottom. Let me check a couple of these frames. Make sure there's no queen on here. See the bees. They're not drawing out much. It's still just got that foundation, which is interesting. I'm actually going to pull one or two of these out and just lay them. That one doesn't sound good. I heard somebody mention the other day that the drones, which are boys, they can't sting you. They are really for mating purposes. They sound like Harley Davidsons. Oh, nice. It's starting to draw out some comb there. A bit better. See the bees starting to move up. You can really see the numbers down below. They're really calm, which tells me it looks like the queen is doing a good job of laying. Let's look at here just a little bit. I don't really see a bunch in that portion. I want to make sure we don't. You can definitely tell she's down in the bottom. There's not much going on here. Let's do this real quick. I do want to check. I just want to check one of the few of these. See the outside frame here. See what's going on. I don't see much on that one. All right, so what I'm actually going to do is pop this off. I'm going to put this frame back in. Out of the way, little girl. The worker bees are girls. They sound like Vespas, is what I heard, which is correct. I can hear them in there. Let me see if I can pop this off. There we go. All right, that's gonna come off here now. Let me just pop this off. Look at that, how pretty. Now, I'm gonna lay this on its side. Like that, it's gonna be perfectly fine. Look at this. Last time we were in here, we moved and checkerboarded some frames. Maybe I should... Not a smoke, maybe. Nah, a little smoke. It'll smoke to move them. I want to be careful. Just want to check and see if they were moving into those other frames that there's really not a lot of smoke at all coming out of here. I haven't mastered the smoker yet to keep it going for a while. I'm going to look at one or two of these outside frames just to see how they're doing. Sometimes they're tough to get apart. You know, the hive is built at really exact dimensions to make sure that they don't, if you leave any room, if you don't have the right spacing, they will fill in the space and make it really hard for you to get these frames out. We don't want that. Look at the numbers. I just want to look at the numbers here real quick just to see how the bees are doing. Don't want to get them really excited. Look at that. Oh yeah, pulling out nicely. Little guy. I mean, look at this. Let's see if I can find the queen on here. Doesn't look like she's on here. Beautiful little set of bees. The numbers are definitely increasing. Lots of brood here. There's nectar on the outside. You can see that's what they do. They surround the brood. Beautiful. And that's all the way to the outside. They're really filling in nicely. I'm going to put this back. We're not going to go too deep in here. I just wanted to see if they were spreading out a little bit. All right, we're going to get out of your hair. And we're going to take this box. I'm not trying to get back into them much. I just simply wanted to see if they were spreading out based on what Tom and I did the other day. And they are. Man, they look good. It's a cool September morning. Like I was saying, you can tell they're going to be out and about for most of the day today. It's supposed to be nice and sunny. Go real slow. Let's get this box on just right. All right, that looks good. All right, let's take this queen excluder. Let's take this. Put it back on top here. Sorry, girls. I don't see any drones up here. Just a bunch of girls, they're the workers anyway. They're the ones getting it done. The boys are just consuming resources, waiting on a virgin queen to fly by so they can go see her. This is not. Always heard that. I'm going to put it the way he had it. All right, looks good. I didn't see a bunch of ants. I didn't see any mites or anything. Of course, I'm still learning on that one. So let's see. Need the eat box next. Let's put this on here, and we definitely want to put some water, sugar water. The queen excluder's on. Inner lid, eat box, which is just simply a box holding this type of feeder. Okay, this feeder's going to come in here. I've got 1-to-1 sugar water we're putting on. All right, that's in place. They can come up through. The queen's excluded right here. Worker bees come up. Obviously, they get everything and pull it back down. Right now, they're not pulling it into that top box too much, but they are definitely working in the bottom. And the bee numbers have increased considerably. So, actually, I'm going to move this box till I fill it. You stay right there. All right. Let's see if we can get this filled. Now this is 1-to-1 sugar water, so 50% sugar, 50% water with a little bit of Honeybee Healthy in it. So I'm gonna fill this up. So that was, man, it was dry in 5 days. Need to really make sure they got it. Now I like being able to put this fresh water in because that way we know it's not, I'm gonna put it all the way. We know it's not fermenting. We don't want the bees to be having a party and not be able to find their way home or not be productive. That would not be good. Let's put the lid on. Sugar water. Looks great. All right. Let's take the box. This goes this way. Line it up. The bees didn't get too agitated. I just checked on them to make sure their numbers were coming up. When Tom gets here, we are about to put in another hive. He's working on that right now for us. That hive will likely, I may put it over here, or I may put it on the other side of the table. We'll see. Either way, I want to make sure that they have good access to the front of the hive. They can fly in and out. Front of the hive is here on this facing south. South is southeast. Got a good setup on this hive. I really like it. Let's put this one on top here and let these guys get back to work. Or girls, I should say. Guys are doing very little, if anything. I think that's about the story. Honeybees can tell you a lot. All right, let's secure this again. Some people, I say, just put bricks. Around here we have a whole lot of wildlife. You can imagine lots of raccoons, things like that. So I want to make sure we don't do anything that's going to cause us to, have an issue. Let's tighten this down. It's not going to bother the bees. Just clicking it a couple of times. I could probably do this without the gloves, but I am not there yet. I see people do it with hardly anything on, which is crazy to me, but good for them. All right, everybody, we've checked on it. Hive looks great. We'll come back hopefully when Tom's here, we'll add another hive, and then we'll just continue to watch this hive. They got plenty of room. They're getting ready for winter. They're drinking the feed like crazy. So, all right, we're set up for a great day. Have a great day.